Hey, what's up guys? This is Rob here with Boomba Racing. I work as a machinist here, and today I'm going to give you guys a little bit more information about me and what I do on a daily basis. As you guys know, we make everything right here in-house in the United States. As a CNC machinist, I'm responsible for operating and setting up CNC mills and lathes and making sure that all of our parts conform to our really high standards that we set. We want to make sure all the parts are properly dimensioned and are properly toleranced so that our customers get the quality that they expect. Honestly, the camaraderie, it's very family oriented here. You get really close with the guys since it's such a small group, and you go through the good times and the bad, but that makes it fun. And really, I'd say the relationships that I've built here with my coworkers is probably the best part of the job. So right now I drive a 2015 Dodge Challenger.
We don't make parts for that though.
Too bad. We should maybe start. My first car was a beat up 2001 Volkswagen Jetta. Dodge Demon. Hip hop all day, and I'm really loud. So if you're driving with me, you best believe the music's gonna be loud. I'm really good at Madden, very good at Madden. I'm actually ranked online in the top 100 for Madden 17. Any of you Madden players out there, come get me. Honestly, I'm passionate about learning. I'm never satisfied with just knowing what I know today. I'm always looking to the next step. How can I learn this? How do I do this? And this job has really helped me kind of put that into practice. Well, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our website, link down below. Other than that, I gotta get back to work. See you guys later.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.